Today, guys, I'm going to be guiding you through some burping exercises. To start, let's do some warm-ups. Okay, cool down. Now, we're going to attempt to do a big burp. But be warned, because doing a big burp, there's a chance it could get, stuck in you and bubble up, and then you'll burp at random times, which could be good or horribly go wrong. Let's try. Oh. Okay, it happened. But sometimes the solution is just swallow it more. Other times, yeah. Okay, it keeps happening. Well, let's cool down on that for now. And do count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah, I accidentally counted a little past 10. It's fine. The more the merrier, I like to say. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Okay. Now, hang on, might be kind of, maybe just swallow a little more. That wasn't, if you were expecting it, that wasn't the full one. So just keep guessing. Wait, why did I say keep guessing? Okay, hang on. Feel it coming. Not fully, but it's fine for now. And if I burp at a random time, that will probably be it. Okay, so now we are going to play a guessing game. That was it. Now we're going to do a guessing game. You're going to try to guess the word that I'm saying by burping. Okay. Start with a simple one.
Cow.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What did I say? Honestly, I don't even know if it sounds like this. But I said cow, okay? Cow. Now, maybe a little harder. I will sometimes break up the syllables, but that's just because I can't do it all in one burp. I'm trying to get, better at it, but sometimes it comes out wrong. So, let's try. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now for the grand finale, guys. Time to burp the ABCs.
A, B, E, 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 F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, E, O, X, Y, E.
Okay, bye, guys.